Hey guys, so today I will show you how to make your own goji berry oil for hair growth and at the same time tell you the benefits of goji berry for your skin and your all over health. So let's get started. Goji berries are rich in vitamin A, C, and zinc that benefit the scalp and encourage hair growth, plus control excessive hair fall. Now, this contains natural antibacterials, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that is needed if you want to promote a healthy scalp and prevent dandruff as well. Also, goji berries or wolfberry contains 16 amino acids and minerals to reduce the visibility of scars from the skin. And the antioxidants and antibacterial properties of goji berries further helps the reduction of scars from the skin, along with increasing the glow of the skin. Alright, so now you have two options on how to use this. The first one is to either apply this topically and the other one is to ingest it. Just because there are a lot of health benefits on the body when you drink the goji berry juice. So today we will make the goji berry oil for hair growth. Now in here, of course, we will use the dried goji berries and then I will also add 2 oils into that. Now the oils of my choice are almond oil and lavender essential oils because these oils I find are not only great for hair growth, but they can also soften the hair as well. So I just like this combo better, but feel free to use any oils of your choice. Alright, so in a bowl, I will put in the dried goji berries and also add in both of the oils. Now the proportion is really up to you. I just made enough today because I want to make a new batch next time. So I'm going to do the double boiler method because I tried doing the cold pressed infused version of it before and I find that the shelf life is short and the oil goes bad really quick. So this method is so much better. Also, after I decided to cut the goji berries into small pieces so that it will just speed up the process. So after about 15 minutes, and when the oil turns into this shade, I went ahead and removed it off the steam and then just let it sit for about 2 hours to cool down. And then now I will filter out any particles of the goji berries so that I will just get the oils alone. Okay, so from here I will transfer it into a container like this. Alright, so for the application part, since I'm using this for hair growth, I will apply this on my scalp alone. And now from here, you can go ahead and do your scalp massage. Or you can also use a scalp brush to evenly spread the oils and also help stimulate the blood flow in your scalp. Now with the leftovers, you can also put it in the bottom part of your hair because this will surely make your hair soft. Now you can leave the oils on your scalp for 20 minutes max and then wash it off. Now this goji berry oil is ideal to use if you're trying to grow your hair while also softening your hair. And this goji berry oil is one of the recent oils that I have been using on my hair lately that I really like. So that is it, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried goji berry on your hair. Goji berry juice is something actually that I used to like drinking before. I stopped for some reason, but however the collagen that I'm taking in right now actually has goji berries. So I'm still consuming goji berry just in powdered form. I personally do not like eating it raw, but for me I like the juice form. So that is it. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!